This is the best banana bread recipe variant you can ever make. If you've watched my previous videos on banana bread, you know I made mini banana bread recipe and I'm going to put a link at the end screen. This is foil cake banana bread and it is perfect for business because I brought in more varieties here that you can try your hands on. Welcome back to Debbie's Kitchen. I am using peanut for this recipe. For my previous banana bread recipe, I use mixed nut. You can use mixed nuts whereby combining peanuts, almond, whichever nut you love, just make do with it. We're using coconut flakes, mixed fruits and raisins, then of course our chocolate chunks. The video at the end screen is going to show you how you can crush your chocolate if you do not get these pre-cut chocolate chunks. Now this is my Oreo biscuit. I do not skip Oreo banana bread recipe from any of my banana bread videos or variants because it is just so unique and appealing. Crush your Oreo biscuit. You can take out the cream from the middle, but I just decided to crush my own because I wanted all the flavors from the Oreo biscuit to just get into the banana bread. Once you are done crushing, then we can move on now to the next process. One thing you must make sure about making your banana bread recipe is that your bananas should be very ripe. If your bananas are not ripe, you can just heat them in your oven or air fryer for like 3 to 5 minutes. It will soften your banana, making it easy for you to manage and work with. Adding your sugar, adding a little bit of salt, and of course your butter. I'm crushing my soft banana alongside with my butter and sugar because I want my banana to be fully incorporated in my butter. I notice that if I do not crush this way, you can have little chunks or lumps of your banana in your banana bread on one part of your banana bread, which is not so nice. But mixing it thoroughly in your butter just spreads your banana, making all of your banana to be fully dissolved in your butter. We are using eggs for this recipe, 5 eggs. Please, your egg should be at room temperature. Your butter should also be at room temperature. Add in your eggs in a little bit as you mix in your eggs into your butter. This will take a few minutes. Please be patient. This process is very important because it gives your banana bread recipe a very unique texture. Make do with any flavor of choice. This will just give your banana bread a very unique taste and flavor. You can even go for banana flavor if you want to really bring out that banana flavor in your banana bread recipe. Add in your baking soda and baking powder. You can use just baking powder. Go on out to add in your flour in bits. This is the first portion of my flour. I'm going to mix it thoroughly in my butter while I add in the second batch of my flour and sift into my butter. Sift your flour so that you can take out any dirt or lumps from your flour, giving your banana bread recipe a very fine texture. I'm going to loosen my butter a bit by adding normal temperature milk. Please do not use cold milk. You can go for evaporated milk, full cream milk, or semi-skimmed milk, not condensed milk. I'm going to put the detailed ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Mix in your milk into your butter. Do not overmix, please. Then go in with your spatula. I had to just mix a little bit, then mix further with my spatula because I do not want to overmix my butter. Now let's go now to our variant. This is the base of your banana bread variant. Your butter is ready. We're going to now start adding our toppings and the different varieties we'll be using for these banana bread recipes. I am measuring a cup because I want my banana bread to be fairly even or equal in size. I'm going to go on now to add in my toppings. Our first banana bread variant is our coconut banana bread. I love it because it's so easy. Just go on now to add in generous amount of your coconut flakes, shredded coconut. Some persons even use very fresh coconut and just shred it into their banana bread. But I love this coconut flakes because it's a bit dried and crispy, therefore giving your banana bread recipe a very unique taste and flavor. So whichever way you want to make your coconut banana bread, just get creative and enjoy your banana bread variant. Add it into your foil cake pan, then top it up with more of your toppings, which are, of course, more coconut flakes. So your coconut banana bread is ready to be baked. The next one is our raisins banana bread or raisins and mixed fruits. This is not just raisins, it has a little bit of dried cherry and other fruits in it. I loved it and I was grateful to find this in the shop because I just wanted the regular raisins. And when I saw this one, I said, God, I'm going for this. You may need to soak your raisins for a few days, but I didn't soak it because I want to feel that chewy texture in my banana bread. So I wanted my raisins to all be intact and I wanted to maintain the texture of my raisins, so you can decide to soak yours. It's up to you. For your mixed nuts, add in the generous amount of your nuts into your batter, mix it and top it up with more nuts. I use peanuts. I said earlier, you can decide to go for other nut options. You can even combine more nuts. Just do you. For the Oreo is the same. After measuring a cup of your batter, go on now to add in generous amounts of your crushed Oreo biscuit into your banana bread batter. After which, go on now to take 2 pieces of your Oreo biscuits, which would be whole or broken, place it on top of your Oreo banana bread batter in your pan. Then, of course, add generous amounts of your crushed Oreo biscuit. This is just gives your Oreo biscuit a more unique and irresistible design that you cannot forget in a hurry. Once you are done making your Oreo banana bread, we're going to go on now to the next process. Can you guess the next? Can you guess? If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share, do comment, tell me what you'd like about this recipe. Which of them are your favorite variants so far? Or is it that I've not made your variant in this video? Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to hype my videos. There's this new feature on YouTube called hype. When you click on this video, they will ask, do you want to hype this video? Please hype my videos. It will help YouTube to push the videos to other viewers. And of course, the hard work we've put into this process will be duly appreciated. Mix your batter into your sieved cocoa powder. This is sweetened cocoa powder. I just use a tablespoon. Too much of cocoa powder can cause your batter or your cake to be bitter, so take note of that. A tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half is okay. Mix it thoroughly into a portion of your batter, then scoop a bit of your cocoa or your chocolate banana bread butter into your 4K pan, while you scoop a little bit of your plain butter into your pan. You're going to keep alternating this process until you've gotten the quantity you need in your pan. Yes, so this is how you make your marble banana bread recipe. I'm going to put a link of a video at the end screen where I made my mini banana bread, different variants. You're going to find out how I use mixed nuts, how I did lotus biscuit banana bread. You need to watch that video. It is another unique banana recipe, but it's mini. So if you're thinking of going into banana bread business, I've given enough variety on my channel and I think you are good to go. Go on now to use your toothpick or skewer to swirl your butter to mix in the chocolate and the plain banana breads properly together, creating that marble design. I added in more chocolate chunks. It's actually optional. You can decide to leave it plain, but I wanted to take my marble banana bread a step further. Yes, so this is our marble banana bread ready to be baked. We're going to go on now to our final variant, which is double chocolate banana bread. In fact, you can decide to do plain banana bread by not adding anything, just that butter, bake it straight away and you are fine. Now for our double chocolate, just mix your chocolate butter or your chocolate your cocoa powder into your batter, like as I did earlier, and of course adding your chocolate chunks, and of course place it in your 4K pan and top up with more chocolate chunks. You can add generous amounts of chocolate chunks if you really want to get that rich double chocolate banana bread. Once I'm done adding in my batter, I'm going to top it up with more chocolate chunks. After which, we are getting ready to bake immediately. You are baking at 140 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Please, not 180 degrees Celsius. You are baking on low heat because you want your cake to bake evenly and gradually. You don't want the inside of your cake to be dense, not to be properly cooked. You can see how beautiful the cakes are looking, or the banana bread cake. Is it banana bread or banana cake? Whichever one you want to call it. You can see how beautiful they are looking. I'm dipping in my skewer to make sure that they are baked or cooked all the way through. If your skewer does not come out clean, you know you need to allow more time to bake. Do not be in a hurry. Baking at 140 degrees Celsius saves you a whole lot of headache. Your cake will bake well. If you're using gas oven, bake on medium-low heat for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So these are our variants. Which of them are your favorite? Please comment in the comment section. Have you watched to this point? Thumbs up this video, do like and share. Support your girl. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, and watch this video at the end screen where I made mini banana bread recipe. You will not regret it. It's also unique. There are some variants that are not in this video that are in that video. You don't want to miss out on that. See you in my next one. God bless you.